Hello everyone, it's April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to crochet the heel of my two Christmas stocking designs. They have the same heel. It's Claremore Christmas stocking or Tahlequah Christmas stocking. This video is not a complete tutorial for the stocking, it's just for the heel. So if you want to be able to make one of those stockings, you're going to need to look in the description box for this video to find the links to those free patterns on my website to get the instructions for the rest of the stocking. So I've just made this little piece as though it were part of the foot of one of the stockings. I'm not, making the full stocking right now, just demonstrating the heel. I have 36 stitches around. I'm working in Lion Brand's Pound of Love in white, and I'm using my Furls K or 6.5mm crochet hook for this. Row 1 of the heel says to chain 1 and then single crochet in the first 18 stitches. This is my joining slip stitch, so I won't be working here. I'll skip that and work 18 single crochet stitches. I've now worked 18 single crochet stitches. I am not going to work any of the additional stitches in this round. You might notice that my whole piece is 36 stitches around. My heel covers exactly half of those. It's 18 stitches. I'm not going to turn the piece without working any of the other stitches from the round below. Now in this row I am going to chain 1 and I am going to single crochet in the first 17 stitches, so all but one of them. I have single crocheted in all the stitches from the previous row except this very last one. I am going to turn, leaving that stitch unworked. Now for row 3 I will chain 1 and single crochet in the first 16 stitches, so again that's going to be all but the last stitch of the row before. I finished that row. I have single crocheted in all but the last stitch. I will turn and repeat that again by chaining 1 and single crocheting in the next 15 stitches, which again is all but the very last one. I have finished row 4. Again, I have this one stitch left. I'll turn, single crochet and single crochet, I will turn, chain 1 and then single crochet in all but the last stitch. So in this row I should have 14 stitches. That gives me 14 stitches for row 5. Again, I've left one unworked. I will turn and do the same thing again with a chain 1 and single crochet in the next 13 stitches, which is all but the last one. That finishes row 6. Again, I will turn, chain 1, single crochet in the next 12 stitches, which is all but the last one. That finishes row 7 with 12 stitches. Now I will turn, chain 1 and single crochet in 11 stitches, which is all but the last one. That finishes row 8 with 11 stitches. I'll do that one more time, turn, chain 1 and single crochet in the next 10 stitches, leaving the last one unworked. That has finished my row 9. I worked 10 stitches across and I'm leaving the last one unworked. And I will turn, and now I'm ready for row 10, but I want to show you first, kind of flattened out, what this looks like. So if I were making the full stocking, I would then have the toe here, but what we've created now is basically a trapezoid with stair-stepped sides. And now we are ready for row 10 once we've turned it this way. For row 10 I'm going to chain 1 and then single crochet in all of the 10 stitches from the last row. There are my 10 stitches from the last row. Now I'm going to single crochet in each of the 4 skipped stitches from each of the previous odd numbered heel rows. So that is going to be my stair steps. I need to single crochet in each of my stair steps. So single crochet. So you're just going to go straight down to this first stair step and single crochet, and then straight down to the next stair step and single crochet, down to the next stair step, single crochet, and down to the last stair step, which doesn't look much different than this over here. This was our very first heel row. That's right there. And then we turn our work. Round 11, now we're going back to working in rounds for the first time since beginning our heel. We'll chain 1, single crochet in the 14 stitches that we worked in the last row. So that's going to start us off right here. Now I've single crocheted across the 14 stitches from my last row. Now I'm going to single crochet in each of the 4 skipped stitches from the previous even numbered heel rows. That's going to again be my stair steps. So I'll jump right down to this first stair step, single crochet, and in the very next one, and the next stair step, and the next stair step, and then I'm going to single crochet in each unworked stitch from the last round of the foot. So you see how this stitch has been pulled kind of open? This right here is the last stitch from my first heel row. I've already worked this stitch, so I'm going to go right into this next one. And there will be 18 stitches across this section. That makes 18 single crochet stitches in that section. And I am back to where I need to join at the end of my round. This section down here, this is a joining, or actually this is going to be my chain 1 and a single crochet from my first heel row. And then my first stitch of this round is actually all the way up here. If you're having trouble locating that, maybe before you start round 11 of the heel, putting a stitch marker in that spot might be helpful. I believe that this is a turning chain right here. That's not where we're working either. We're going to come all the way up here and slip stitch to join the end of that round. And then when we're ready to work the leg, we turn, and we're just again in basic single crochet all the way around, turning between rounds. So that completes the short row heel. And if we look at it this way, this doesn't look like much because I haven't made the foot of the stocking, which goes this way, and then the leg of the stocking is going to be worked off this. But you can see how we've formed this piece here that has allowed us to form that kind of bend in our stocking. So that finishes this short row heel tutorial for my Christmas stocking crochet patterns. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye.